Hello, teacher.
Kitty, welcome to our class here. Okay, so now before we start, let me introduce myself. Hi, I'm teacher Mathea. Okay, so how about you? What is your name?
My name is Cường.
Cook. Oh, hello, Cook. Nice to meet you. Okay, now Cook, how old are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, you're fine. But how old are you? Bao nhiêu tuổi?
I'm 8 years old.
Okay, 8 years old. Okay, dear. Remember, if someone asks how old, okay, you will say your age. Okay, 8 years old. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, now, what is your favorite food? What food do you like? Do you like chicken, pizza, vegetables, rice? What food do you like?
Do you like soup rice?
Oh, rice? Do you like rice?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So now, as you said earlier, you're fine. Okay, so now tonight we will be having a test. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, listen, okay? He gets on her bike and rides home. Ooh.
Ooh.
Did he get on a car?
No.
No. Did he get on the plane?
No.
No. Did he get on the boat?
No.
No. Good answer. Did he get on the train?
No.
No. Did he get on her bike?
Yes.
Yes. And where did he get on? Where did he get on? Did he get on her bike?
On the bike.
Okay, now one more time. Where did he get on?
On the bike.
Oh, good answer. And where did he ride to? Did he ride to go to the mall?
No.
Did he rides to home?
Yes.
Where did he ride to?
Tony.
Okay, where did Tony rides to?
Ride home.
Yes, good answer. Tuwang high five. High five. Okay, so